Christian from La Tosca is here and he's going to be making me a very simple but delicious gnocchi dish. La Tosca, it's been in your family for ages. You guys are obviously very passionate about pasta and gnocchi.
Absolutely, yeah. We took over in 2016 and gnocchi is one of my favourite products that we currently range. So yeah, I'm going to show Justine how I make it today.
All right, so what are we making?
So we're actually going to be frying our gnocchi today. With our gnocchi, it's already pre-cooked, so you can just put it straight in the pan. You don't need to boil it, which makes it easy for me, especially someone that isn't a great chef but loves to cook pasta.
Don't talk yourself down. I think this is going to be fantastic. I think the simpler dishes are always the tastiest. So you've got some butter, sage, garlic and Parmesan. I mean, that's a win-win with gnocchi, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%. And like I said, it makes it easy. It's a pretty simple dish, so everyone can make it at home and enjoy it every day. All
right, we've got a pan. It's nice and hot.
Yep, let's just chuck the butter straight in.
Yep,
in
the
like
whole lot. I mean, it looks like a lot of butter, but we've got 500 grams of little gnocchi here, which is going to feed 4 people.
Yeah.
And the butter is the sauce, so we want to taste it, right?
100%.
You must have known I love butter.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Butter and gnocchi, they're best friends.
Absolutely. And I'm just going to add some olive oil just to make sure the butter doesn't burn.
Okay, great.
Just a splash should do.
So tell me about La Tosca gnocchi. What makes it so different to other gnocchis?
Well, our gnocchi is obviously fresh and a lot of other gnocchis on the market are dry and ambient. So what we do is ours is already pre-cooked, which means we can put it in a sauce like this or just add it and we don't have to boil it. It's made with 87% Australian ingredients, so we use 100% durum semolina in our mix. And then we've also got a high protein count because we use free-range eggs.
Oh, beautiful.
Which makes it good for someone like me because I'm training, I play footy, so it's good as a carb source and a protein source, especially pre-game, the night before a game. I like to cook this up.
Awesome, yes, it is actually. There's so much energy in it. And these only take 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
I love the size of the gnocchi too. Like, they're not too big.
Yep.
And honestly, I've tried these a few times, cooking them different ways with different sauces, and I do love how fluffy they are. You know, some gnocchi can be really dense.
Yeah, absolutely.
Unless you're making it yourself from scratch. But this one is just like little fluffy pillows.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
Good.
So it's starting to brown up now, as you can see.
Yep.
Just give it a bit of a stir around just to make sure you get every part of the gnocchi to brown up. I think you can start to put the garlic in now.
Okay, lots of garlic. And we didn't add the garlic at the beginning because it would burn, so we're just giving the gnocchi a bit of a head start.
Yeah.
And sage. Great combo.
Yeah, we can start to put the sage in, so if you want to just rip up some sage leaves and just throw them straight in.
Yes.
That's perfect.
There we go. And so I think usually you'd associate gnocchi with boiling and then adding it into a quick Napoli sauce. But this caramelisation is a really lovely way to serve it too.
Yeah, absolutely. You could even do it as a chip. That's what I like to do sometimes. So I just fry it without the sage and butter. And I'll just put it on a plate with some toothpicks and then you can serve it as a chip for guests if you have someone over.
How good is that?
Absolutely. So I'm just going to season it with some salt and pepper. While I'm doing that, do you mind just chopping some herbs and grating some Parmesan for me,
I would love to. So you're going to add some more chives and some parsley to this. This just shows how versatile the gnocchi is because if you wanted to, you could add other things to this like some prawns.
Absolutely.
Different types of cheese, some ricotta would be lovely in this too. Pumpkin.
100%.
Pumpkin would be
nice. We actually have a butternut pumpkin gnocchi as well.
Is that right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. So you're onto something with that.
And then some parsley. I'm going to roughly chop it. Did you want that straight in there, Christian?
Yep. You can put that straight in whenever you're ready.
There we go.
Give it a bit of a mix.
Yep. Stir it all the way through.
All right. I think it's ready to be plated up.
Okay.
Let's go. Grab this plate here.
Big spoon.
There.
Nice one. Lovely family style.
Absolutely. Make the family proud with this one.
Yeah, I mean, I know your mum and dad are watching.
Yeah, absolutely.
So they will be judging us.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about your mum and dad's passion for the business.
Yeah, they are pretty passionate. They're pretty hands-on as well. It's really good to see their work ethic from my end.
Yeah.
They're there 24/7. So yeah, whenever we're operating, they're at work. So we started about 2:30 in the morning.
What?
Yeah, 2:30 in the morning they get in and home at about 3:30 in the afternoon. So long days, but it just shows their passion and how hard they're willing to work to see the business succeed and get everyone some good fresh pasta. So
absolutely.
Yeah.
That's what we love to hear.
Absolutely, and I'm a bit of a slacker. I get in at 7:30, 8 o'clock.
Oh, Christian!
I know. It's tough. I hear it from them all the time.
Well, that looks sensational. And
Absolutely.
Parmesan over the top?
Parmesan over the
Of
top.
course. Let it rain Parmesan. Crispy, puffy gnocchi. Can't wait to try this. One for you, one for me.
Thank you. How is it?
It's really good. I love what you've done there with 3 different herbs. Sage, which is quite a dominant one.
Yep.
And then you've got the softness of the parsley and the chives. I just love when guests come on and remind us how beautiful the simple things are. A good quality product like this gnocchi, served with some yummy butter, garlic and herbs, just hits the spot. Cheers, Christian.
Beautiful. Thanks for having me.